Hi everyone, my name Aliansha. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through how you plan before you going on a camping trip. It's not just tossing stuff into a bag and heading out. It actually takes a bit of thought. So let's dive in and get ready together. So, step one, where are we going? Alright, first thing first, the destination. Are we thinking mountain with epic views, a quiet forest, or maybe somewhere by a lake? Each spot hit different. Also, quick tip, check if you need to book ahead or pay any fees. Some place fill up super fast. And hey, don't forget to see if the place has someone you can contact. Sometimes they have an Instagram account or a website, so you can reach out and ask, do we to pay an entrance fee? Can we rent a tent? Do you guys have cabins? That's it. Super helpful to know all that before you get there. So yeah, for the step one, you have to Google it, searching where do you want to go, or maybe a different view like in the mountain or in the lake. This is for example, yeah, this Batu Kuda Manglayang. So when you check in the bottom, they have a Instagram account, so you can contact the Instagram and asking, is there have to pay or no? So asking, that is you can rent a tent or there is a cabin. So step two, when and who's coming? Are you rolling solo this time, or should you hit up the crew? Go the scenes up those calendar and check the weather too. No one want to be caught in a storm with soggy sock, right? Next up, shelter situation. So you are bringing a good old tent, renting gear, or maybe treating yourself to one of those fancy little cabins. Depend on the mood. Feeling rich, tent, feeling cozy, cabin life, baby. Packing time. Let's not overpack, but not underprepare either. Extra clothes, always. The weather likes to surprise us. A warm jacket, yes, please. Shoes, sometimes your feet won't hit you fall. Hiking sandal or baking in sneaker are the good choice. Oh, and if you take meds, don't forget them. Okay, next, you have to bring a jacket. Uh, trust me, there is a super cold, bro. So you have to wearing a jacket, and if your shoes don't have like this one, can you see? This is yep. If you shoes like don't like this, your shoes is so flat. Don't don't use don't use that. So use like this, or maybe a hiking sandal that have uh, like this. That's recommended to you. Don't use shoes that are flat in the bottom. Yeah. Okay. So next, what about the night vibes? Flashlight or headlamp is a lifesaver. Nothing like wandering on pitch black, looking for the toilet, sleeping bag, a must. Cold night hit different in the forest. Planning to cook? Grab a portable stove and some gas. Cannot survive on marshmallow alone. So next one, you have to bring a like this a lamp, or maybe you can use this portable portable lamp. Yeah, this is like this is this using a battery. So next one, you have to bring a sleep bag. Yeah, you know that's in the forest it's so cold, so you have to use it. Next one, you have to buy a portable, its name, yeah, you know, the portable gas you can cook in there. Yeah, maybe you can, maybe you will make misedap or indomie, you know. Yeah, now the good stuff, food and drinks. Water, lots of it. Snack, then don't melt. Simple meals that don't require machine start to make. Don't forget your cup, spoon, and plate. Trust me, drinking soup out of your hand isn't ideal. Okay, let's talk trash. Literally, bring a trash bag and pack it all out. That's cool. Let's keep it that way. No litter bugs allowed. Next one, you have to bring a trash bag. Why you is so don't throw the trash you in the forest. That's so not respect, bro. So the trash bag you have to bring home. Yeah, bring it home. Safety squad check. Whistle. Yep. Tiny first aid kit. Always a good idea. And power bank because your phone dying mid hiking is not the kind of the grid you want. Okay, next one. So you have to bring the pistol, yeah, like this. So maybe you in a trouble, maybe you, yeah, you have to bring this at least one, yeah, for safety. And next one, you have to, maybe you bring a phone, you, yeah, you have to bring the power bank too. This is for your phone life. Last but not least, weather check. Check that forecast nothing rains came out faster than unexpected rain or wind. If it look bad, better to reschedule that. Regret it. So yeah, the last one is you have to check the weather. Like this is in the Sunday, it seaside maybe raining day. So don't go into Sunday. So this is bad idea. And in the Monday is to be yep, maybe it's a good day, yeah, sunny, yeah. And boom, that's our prepare list. I hope this helped. Let's get out there and enjoy the fresh air, the starry skies, and maybe even a few small gets you outdoors. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time, guys.